if you have been using gocharting right here to backtest your forex trading strategy, then this video is, and if you have not been using it yet, then just check out this video I made over here, the best free forex trading backtesting software with 𝙍𝙀𝘾𝙊𝙈 for updates, right? You're gonna see how to use this particular platform gocharting to backtest your forex trading strategy, just like right here. Okay, you have the 𝙍𝙀𝘾𝙊𝙈 tool over here. You can click wherever you want, then go ahead and replay like this, then test out your strategy to see if it is working or not, right? But now that is not the main focus of this video. And also, if you want to use your mobile phone to backtest your strategy with 𝙍𝙀𝘾𝙊𝙈 tool, again, check out this video also on my YouTube channel, that's Godsway Amuzu. You're going to see how to backtest on mobile phone with 𝙍𝙀𝘾𝙊𝙈. Yeah, there's a video over there you can use as well. Now, to the main focus of this video, let's jump right into it. So I had a comment on my video which says there is a limit with time frames, but help solve it. Like, I went back to 2022 and tried entering YouTube, but was told error, not allowed. That's something, right? You see, this is one of the reasons why I like it so much when you leave a comment below my videos, okay? Because it enables me to know if whatever I'm providing to you is actually helping you or not. And I wouldn't like to come here and provide an information which is not going to help you in the long run. No, I feel like I have to put everything over here that will actually help you in whatever you are doing. I wouldn't like to come here and just put out garbage over here and and go. Okay, so kindly do well to leave comments on my videos to see, like, to enable me to know if whatever I'm doing is actually helping you or not. That's the main focus of me coming here to put out content, right? So with this particular issue over here, let me just explain using the gocharting platform. Okay, so I'll just come here quickly. This is the platform. Actually, this is where I was doing the 𝙍𝙀𝘾𝙊𝙈 stuff over here that you can see. Yeah, this is a platform for the backtesting. Now this platform, we have the free version and the paid version. Let me go to the pricing side and show you something, right? This is my account currently. So let me go to the pricing and I'll show you something right here, because you need to know this, guys. You need to know this. You can see we have the free, the India Lite and India NSA Premium, right? So currently I'm using the free version. That's what I just show you, okay? And that's what I made a video on the channel, right? Because literally that's what you need. You don't need anything that much, right? But then there's a limit to the free version. That is exactly what the comment that my brother Not Real left on it another video. That exactly was it about. There's a limit on a free channel. There's a limit on a free version as to how you can use it. Okay, now let me bring you back to the main chart and show you something. You can see right here I'm on a weekly time frame. Okay, 1 week time frame. Now on this 1 week time frame, I've brought the bar down to 2023. Now let me take it way back to, let's say, okay, this is going to be 2016, right? So let me do the 𝙍𝙀𝘾𝙊𝙈 for 2016 and see. Okay, so this is February 22. Okay, this is January 2026. So let's do the 𝙍𝙀𝘾𝙊𝙈 over here and see. Now what you can see is this is moving very well, right? It's moving very well, and this is the weekly time frame. Now what happened if I change it to, let's say, 4-hour time frame and stuff like that? If I change this to 4-hour time frame, okay, you're gonna see time frames over here. If I change it to 4-hour time frame right now, there's going to be an error message, which is exactly my brother was talking about. If I change it to 4-hour time frame, it's not going to allow me to do the backtesting. That's because there's a limit as to the time frame, the number of candles that I can backtest. Okay, we have like 9k candles that you can actually backtest. So if I go beyond that, I'll not be able to backtest. But listen, if you're on a weekly time frame, it means you're able to cover that, amount of candles that you can actually backtest. But if you change this to 4-hour time frames, considering the fact that you are starting from 2017 or 2016, okay, the number of candles on a 4-hour time frame is going to be way more than the 90, and that will not allow you to actually run the 𝙍𝙀𝘾𝙊𝙈, okay, unless you upgrade by paying for the premium version. Okay, that's something that I want you to take note of. It's very important, right? So what I mostly do is I use a daily and a 4-hour time frame most of the time, and sometimes draw it down to the minute time frame to do the back testing. And that means I don't really go back very back, like years back into the data. Okay, I don't really go that much back. And of course, when backtesting a strategy, I feel like you don't really have to go way back. You see, some strategies work at the point in time, and sometimes it don't usually work that much. So I prefer to backtest my strategy in a kind of current market condition, okay, not into the past like that. All right, for example, I can backtest 2023 your 2024, so I can just basically go back to 2023 chart and backtest instead of going, let's say, to 2020, 2019, 2018. No, I wouldn't like to go there that much deep. I would just like to backtest 2023, and maybe sometimes I wouldn't even go back that much. Few months, candles are okay for me to actually backtest and go, right? So let me show you what I was talking about. So I'm going to change this to 4-hour time frame, and let's say if I'll be able to do the bar replay, right? There's going to be an error message actually, so it is loading, right? So let's finish loading, and you can see there's an error message over here. Okay, it says I cannot use this time frame. There's what, a limit to this. Okay, date you have chosen to start replacement is less than smallest it allows, so for this time interval, right? So basically that is it. All right, that is it. So if you actually want to trade or backtest a strategy, make sure you use a time frame that will allow you to do that. Okay, if you want to backtest purely on a weekly time frame, just go ahead and use a weekly time frame and don't change it. I hope you've gotten me. Don't change it. And if you want to use a monthly time frame, use a monthly time frame and don't change it. That will allow you to go back, let's say, to even 2012. You're going to have access to data and backtest in 2012, right? But if you want to use, let's say, 4-hour and stuff like that, I just suggest you use 2023, like the recent year. Okay, so this right here is a current data, right? This is 2024 data over here, right? So let's assume I want to go back. All right, let me just close this out over here. That's when you into. I would like to just maybe, this is October 2022. Let me see right here. I'm going to do bar replay over here, and this is 4-hour time frame, right? 4-hour time frame. I have access to actually backtest on a 2022 chart. So let me actually go to, let's say, 15-minute time frame, and let's see if I'll get an error message or not. If I get an error message right here, the error message over here simply means the number of candles that I have access to on a 4-hour time frame, I cannot have the same number of candles on the 15-minute time frame. Meaning on a 15-minute time frame, if I'm using the same data that I've just highlighted on a 4-hour time frame, if I bring the same data back to 15-minute time frame, the number of candles become more than the required number of candles I was supposed to deal with, right? Hope this is understandable and very explanatory, right? So yeah, I'll probably see you in the next video. So just leave a comment below if you've been able to actually understand what I've talked about right now or not, and if it has been helpful or not. And if you found it helpful, go ahead and hit that like button on this video and also subscribe for more video. My name is Godsway, and I'll see you in the next video. Bless up.